Hello and welcome back for another video. This video is a haul, a few things that I picked up this summer, things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and things that I picked up from Target. Some of these items you may have already seen in my teacher favorite video. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it down below so that you can watch it. So let's get started. The first item that I picked up from Target are these Sharpie markers. This pack has 2 bronze and 2 silvers. I think 2 of them are metallic markers. So there's a pack of 18. That's one item. I picked up my favorite pencils, the Ticonderoga pencil. These are the ones that my students use when they're in small group with me. That's the only time that I'm allowed to see them with one of the black Ticonderoga pencils. So something else that I picked up from Target this summer. Next, I picked up some composition books. I picked up one for each student. I'm gonna go ahead and put the labels on them this summer while I'm home. I need to do that real soon. Maybe this weekend I'll get a chance to do that. But I picked up composition books, one for each student as well this summer. Target has them on sale for 50 cents. So if you need some composition books, get the Target. Next, I picked up some stickers. As a matter of fact, I picked up 2 rows of stickers. In this one, there's a superstar, there's a great job, there's a rainbow, there's an apple, and there's some other kind of little face in here. And in this pack, there's a U rule with a ruler. There's a notebook page with the face on it. There's an A+. There's our Smarty Pants. And there's another great work. So I picked up 2 boxes of these. I use these mainly for my AR chart to reward students when they've made 90% or better on an AR. Okay, something else I picked up. I picked up this board that has clothespins already glued down to them. I'm going to use this for papers that doesn't have a name. I'm just going to clip that paper to the end and have students just kind of look to come see if that's their paper. I saw this a lot last year. I didn't get a chance to get one, but I got one this year. And it was only $3 at Target. I picked up these colorful wooden clothespins. I love clothespins. I was very hesitant to get these clothespins because they were $3. And I know if I go to the Dollar Tree and pick up clothespins, I could have 3 packs of about 20 each, which is about 60 clothespins. But these were so colorful, and I think I may need these for my word wall this year. So I picked up these clothespins. They were $3 from Target. Something else that I picked up, I heart teaching socks. They were $1 at Target. There's gray on the toe and gray on the heel and gray at the very top of the band. I picked up that pair. This pair is pink at the top of the band, pink on the heel and pink on the toes. These are pencils. I hope you can see that. Very cute little socks. I may be wearing those next week when I go up to the school to organize my classroom. I picked up these as well. This says #TeacherLife. So they're gray on the toe, gray on the heel, gray at the top of this band here. Then you have kind of a coral color, turquoise, pink, lime green, and a purple here. So I may be walking around my classroom next week barefooted with these socks on. So I picked up 3 pair of socks. You may have seen this in my favorites. This is the little bin that I'm going to use in my writing center. I'm going to put pencils, markers, maybe ink pens in that part. I'm going to put paper or composition books here. This will hold at least 3 composition books. Well, no, it'll hold more. It holds these 3 real good, but it'll probably hold about 6 composition books. So I'm going to use this in my writing center. Something else that I picked was this chalkboard easel. I think I'm just going to put this in the center of my small group table with maybe do not disturb on it. This was $3 as well from Target. A chalkboard easel. I can write on it with a little piece of chalk. I have a chalkboard thing going on in my room, so that will fit in very nicely, I think. Okay. Something else that I picked up from Target are these letters that says read. I picked up this last year as well, but the colors are different this year. These colors are a little not as bold as the ones that I picked up last year. So I picked up the word read. I picked up the word learn. So they go together. But this word learn does not go with my word read from last year. So I decided I would pick up another read. I picked up think. I picked up write. So the word write will definitely go in my writing center. Read will definitely go in my library area. And I know I can find one of the centers where I can put the word learn and the word think. Maybe think in math center, maybe learn in reading or ELA center. So I picked up those words from Target. They were $3 each. So I think that's it for what I picked up from Target. I picked up a few things from the Dollar Tree as well. Not a whole lot. I just needed to replace some things. I picked up more of these little plastic storage containers that has the little lid. I use these for math manipulatives. I use these for maybe M&Ms or Skittles for the students as well. I know a lot of people use them for number cubes. I think I've used them for that as well. Okay, that came from the Dollar Tree. Also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up these little snack containers, and most of the time I'll put alphabets when they're making words in language centers. Sometimes the alphabets are magnetic, sometimes they're just laminated on cardstock, but I picked up some of these as well from the Dollar Tree this year. I picked up another desk calendar. I use this desk calendar right at my desk when parents make appointments for parent conferences. I just go ahead and jot their name and time on the date that they're coming for a parent conference, and it's right there at my desk so that I can see it first thing in the morning and before I leave, so I can keep it handy and know when to expect parents and what time. So I picked up that from the Dollar Tree. And also, sorry about the little rattling of noise, I needed to replace my baskets. These baskets sit on the tables where my students are. In one little area, I put the pencils. In another area, we put crayons. In another area, we put composition books or AR books, library books, things of that nature. So I picked up 6 of those. I think I only have 5 tables though, but I picked up 6 anyway. I think last year I started out with 6 tables, but I ended up with 5 after I got sick and went out. But yeah, I use these every year. Each year I just go ahead and throw them away because they're only $1 at the Dollar Tree. So because by the end of the year, they will have writing on them with the pencil and crayons and they would look just atrocious. So I just throw them away and replace them each year. So I think that is it for my Target haul and my Dollar Tree haul. I didn't buy a lot this summer. You know, I've been teaching for years and there's just not a lot of things that I need. I just needed to redecorate my classroom just a little differently this year. It was time for a change. I try and change up my classroom about every 2 to 3 years. So just made some small, subtle changes that I know the students will enjoy. So if you have not liked, shared, subscribed, please do so. And until next time, thank you for watching. Infinity hugs and kisses.